Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make avocado, coconut, mint, cilantro, and mango chutney. I have here some dry coconut. You can use fresh coconut. If you're using dry coconut, make sure that you soak it in warm water. I have cilantro, mint, coconut, and avocado. So let's cut it into small pieces and take a jar and then grind it. The full recipe for this chutney will be in the description box or in the picture. I actually put this recipe in a magazine, and I got selected to get it posted, so you will see it in the magazine clip.